Hey, in this video, I'll show you some settings that you want to turn off on iOS 26. This is a very important video, so make sure you hit the video with a like and let's start. The first thing you want to do is go over to your settings and they will look like this. You want to go to privacy and security, which is this icon right here. Click on it, and here the first thing you want to do is just check out which location services you want and don't want to have. So for example, do you need Binance or the App Store to always have your location services? If no, you want to remove that. Then you want to go down to analytics and improvement, and you want to have all of these off. Then the next thing you want to do is, and let me just screenshot how this looks if you are interested in actually changing it. The next thing you want to do is go back, click on Apple advertising, and you want to have some information changed if that is a privacy concern you have. You can also check out the Apple Intelligence stuff here. I think sometimes you would have that on newer iPhones. Then you want to go back and you want to click on the Apple ID and you want to click on subscriptions, and you want to make sure that you have some of the subscriptions you have off, because these are some settings that you maybe had on your old iPhone and you don't need anymore, so you can just go ahead and make sure you clear those. Then another thing you can do is go to accessibility. So you want to click on search, accessibility. Man, that's hard. Okay, so here we go, accessibility. And here you want to go back to the actual accessibility page. Here it is, and you want to click on display and text size, and you want to have this off. Reduce transparency, improve contrast by reducing transparency. You actually want to have it on green. This will reduce the transparency, and this should be a setting that will help you with your battery as well. Let me know what you think and how if I can improve on something in the comment section down below. I really hope this video helped you out. If you still have questions, just comment them down below, or just say hi in the comment section down below, or just say which country are you watching this video from, because I'm very, very curious. See you in the next video. Bye.